Happy. That's how I live my life. Won't waste my time, cause I'm Happy. I know, rappers like to talk a lot. Talking about all the fancy things. Hey, it's Aewon Wolf here. Thank you for clicking on this video. And what I guess is that you clicked on this video to see my secret shampoo recipe. I think I'll just start this video with my hair journey. If you guys know, I've had dreads for a long time, and I basically went through an experience where my hair or dreads were just either one of two things. Either they were really oily and dirty. Then I used shampoo to clean them out, and then they get dry and brittle. I started learning how to use conditioners and stuff. I enjoy being at the beach and surfing and stuff, so doing this on a regular basis of having to clean out my dreads really took a toll on my dreads, and at some point I actually just wanted to cut them out, and I did. I just cut my dreads. I decided to want them back and reattached my dreads, and I'll talk about how I reattach my dreads in another video. I'll create another video about that because this is my easier content right now. If you're used to my other videos, I go deep. I share stuff that's really life-changing because I feel that's what's important, but I feel like this is also something that's important as well. My hair journey, or how I treat my hair, is freeing and helps me be happy and helps me be the person I am. Therefore, I want to share this with you. Going all natural with your shampoo can actually set you free. It does two things. Number one, it just gives you great hair. It just gives you good, solid, strong hair that you don't need to stress and worry about, and having one less stress or worry in life is always a plus. Number two, it frees your budget because this is actually a cheaper way of taking care of your hair. The cost factor of constantly buying different hair products and doing different stuff to your hair, it adds up at the end of the day, and this way it doesn't. What's another great thing about this shampoo is that you could actually use it as body wash as well. That's how safe and stable it is. With that personal hair journey out of the way, I think I need to also establish why this hair recipe or this shampoo is the bomb diggity. Excuse me, I had to expose my age in that reference, bomb diggity. The reason why I think is the bomb, I think that just made me much older. It's not just something I thumbs. I watched lots of videos and read articles about hair, figuring out how do I find the balance and what was wrong with my hair journey before I came to this path of an all natural solution. In one of those videos, I came across this recipe, and this recipe worked wonders for me. It cleans my hair out without stripping my hair of its natural oils, having me to go and use a conditioner and a moisturizer afterwards, just adding more products and more products into my hair, which then makes me want to have to clean it again at a later stage. This solution just works, and it comes from a person who's a scientist, a hair and skin specialist. So she didn't just thumb suck it. I'll give you a link to her video directly, or you can just watch mine for the recipe, because I did tweak it a little bit to suit me and the South African perspective. So let's just go into the video and you can see what the recipe and everything is, and hopefully that helps you. Extra virgin coconut oil, Pure Castille soap, which I got Dr. Bronner's Pure Castille soap, which is excellent as a soap in itself. Methi powder, you can get that at any spice shop. I got mine from Garima's. In other parts of the world, they call it funegreek powder. But if you're looking here in South Africa, just ask for Methi powder. Good old-fashioned apple cider vinegar. Coconut milk, regular coconut milk you can get from any store in a can. And then rosemary essential oil. Put it all in a bowl. Start with coconut milk as the base. This is pretty much going to carry all the ingredients together and hold it together. Then you add half a cup of water. Then half a cup of Castille soap. Castille soap is amazing. It's a natural soap made of all natural products. It's an amazing soap in itself. Then apple cider vinegar. This is to add acidity to help clean out stuff in your hair, the gunk in your hair. Then you add the extra virgin coconut oil. I had a little bit of a struggle pouring it out here, but yeah, that adds to that base and the ability for the oil to carry and to keep your natural good stuff in. And yeah, the rosemary just adds a good flavor, and it's actually good and great for your hair. Then fenugreek powder has so many nutrients that are amazing for your hair. Mix that all in and you have your shampoo. Yeah. Oh, and thank you for watching that. I really appreciate you guys clicking on these videos. Do the like, the share, the subscribe, and all that stuff. If this video helped you, and if it didn't, you don't care to do those things, it's okay. I really don't mind. It's not, my channel's not about that, but to serve the algorithm and help this video get to other people that might need this help, it's great if you can do those things. But otherwise, it's not that important. Subscribe if you really want to get more information, because I'll be sharing my other secrets and things that I use that are helpful. Keep dropping information and facts. Enjoy these videos that are light. I figured I'd start with the deep, so that those people who have the attention spans to survive those longer videos, those more intensive analysis videos, can benefit from these videos. I'm not wanting to have the most viewers. I just want to have a good relationship with my viewers and actually provide real value that will change and help your life. So if I only have 2 views, that's great. As long as those 2 views learn something and gain something that's life-changing and meaningful to them. I am a deep kind of guy, so if I go deep, it happens. But I just serve my purpose. This is what God has put on me, and I'll keep serving that purpose every single day and every single night, striving, because it gives me happiness, and I really enjoy doing this and sharing the light that I've been given and the experiences that I've been given by God. She's amazing. She does everything to make me who I am. And in that pursuit of the relationship with God, I've come to create these videos. I've come to the point where I create these videos and I share that journey and that light that God gives me with you. And hopefully that light can be shared once you have it lit in yourself. And we just keep the fire going and have a amazing world, a much better world. This is how we create it, and I believe it starts with every single individual you come across. Those small one-on-one experiences, powerful. And this for me is like a one-on-one with many people at the same time in many different time zones, and that's beautiful. So appreciate this one-on-one with you, and I really hope this video helps you as much as it's just about shampoo. Click and watch the rest of the videos that I share. They might open something for you and make you happy, because at the end of the day, it's all we want to be: happy and fulfilled. Thank you. This is Aewon. Thank you, and I love you. Signing out. Peace out. A-Town. Bounce.